How to enter a multi-line or multi-item cash sale on the CountLab 2 cash register. You need the key in the REG position, and then you enter the value of the first item. So for £4.95, 495. You need to assign that 495 to a department, so we'll use department 1, just press DP1, and then you repeat that for each line of the transaction. So for £2.95 into department 6, 295, department 6, you'll see that the decimal point is entered by the till automatically, so you don't need to enter it, and the number here is the department, so 295, department 6, and you just carry on, 495, department 2, 199, department 3. You just repeat that procedure for every line of the transaction. Once you've entered all the items, subtotal, we've got 1983. Now let's imagine that the customer's paying with £20 note, so the best practice is to type in the money tendered, 2000 for £20. Again, no need to press the decimal point. Then you hit the big button here on the bottom right hand side that says cash. The cash drawer fires, allowing you to dispense the change and put the money in. The reason why we entered £20 exactly is because the change is then displayed on both screens. You've got it on the operator display, the customer rear display, and if you've got the receipt set up to print out, then it's also shown on here. Thanks for watching.